Today, we will create this floating effect in CapCut PC. First, drag the background canvas and the picture you want to use for the floating effect to the timeline. I use the Remove BG option to remove the background from this picture. Then, I rescale the picture on the canvas to the appropriate size. Go to the Effects section and select the Play Pendulum effect, which is under the Nightclub category. Drag this effect onto the cat's picture from which we removed the background. Reduce the twist and sharpen settings to achieve a better look for the cat's image. Adjust the strength and speed of the image as needed. You're done! If you want to change the in animation, go to the Animation tab and choose an appropriate in animation. I will select Slide Up and increase the animation duration. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.